In addition to measurement tools, CONNECTExplorer provides visual annotations such as text, shapes, and markers, which you can use to add more information to your imagery. There are numerous uses for annotations, such as identifying a staging area for emergency planning and management, preparing for a concert or other outdoor event, and describing items that are visible in an image for presentation purposes. When you create an annotation, it appears on the image as well as the workspace. The workspace can be opened by clicking the Workspaces tab on the left side of the interface. For more information about workspaces, please watch the series of videos on this topic. To access your annotation tools, select the Measure Annotate tab in the upper right corner of the interface. Annotation tools can be found below the measurement tools. When you select an annotation tool, the corresponding tool options appear in the bottom right corner of the Measure Annotate tab, allowing you to change the appearance of an annotation. Any changes you make are remembered for future sessions. Let's start with the Shape tool, which is the first annotation tool on the left. When selected, this tool allows you to annotate an image or map with a polygon. Shape annotations can be helpful for outlining areas of interest in an image. To do this, click on the image to begin drawing the polygon, and click again wherever you want to drop a point. To finish your shape, double-click on the final location. When complete, the annotation appears in the workspace, where you can rename, edit, tag, and delete the annotation. Remember that another way to quickly edit any existing annotation or measurement is to use the Select tool in the Measure section of the Measure Annotate tab. When the Select tool is active, clicking on a measurement or annotation allows you to edit various options, such as line color, fill color, opacity, and line thickness, as well as reshape or move the measurement or annotation itself. The next annotation tool is the Circle tool, which allows you to make a perfect circle of any size atop your imagery. When the Circle annotation tool is active, click once to mark the center point of your circle. Click again to mark the outside edge. Note that if you are viewing your imagery in an oblique perspective, the circle might appear as an oval. To view a perfect circle, switch to an orthogonal view. By using the Select tool and making a single click on the circle, you can resize the circle by typing in the desired radius, or you can click and drag the crosshair to reposition the entire annotation. As with all edits, make a single click on the image pane outside the annotation to complete your changes. The third annotation tool is the Line tool. When the Line tool is active, click once on the image pane to begin drawing a line. Each subsequent click drops a point, creating an angle in the line. When you have come to the final point for your line, double-click to finish. This type of annotation can be useful for outlining a specific area, highlighting a road, representing the placement of a fence, or designating a path or route. Next up is the Text tool, which allows you to enter text on an image or map at a specific location. Select the Text tool from the list of annotation tools. Set your tool preferences as desired, and click the image pane where you'd like to add text. A dialog box opens, providing you with space to type anything you choose. To enter multiple lines of text, press Enter on your keyboard to start a new line. When done, click OK. You can edit the text by clicking on the annotation when the Select tool is active, then clicking on the pencil icon. Additionally, you can move the text by clicking and dragging the blue crosshair. The final annotation tool is the marker tool, which allows you to add icons to the imagery. Clicking this tool causes 4 icon categories to appear in the bottom right corner of the Measure Annotate tab: Classic, Signs, Vehicles, and Markers. To place a marker on your image, first click on the desired icon to select it, and then click the image pane where you'd like the marker to appear. You can resize this icon by clicking it with the Select tool and then choosing a percentage option from the Scale drop-down found in the tool options.